This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Sherwin-Williams was upgraded by Bank of America Securities to buy this morning, following increased guidance earlier this week. Looking back, the paint maker topped out right near the 200 level November 2019, tested that level in January 2020, creating the small double top pattern, and then broke down during the pandemic, dropping about 90 points to a 3-year low. Now, it recovered at the same pace as the prior decline, coming back up to the first quarter peak in June and then completing the handle in this very pretty looking cup and handle pattern. It broke out in July, headed into this modest uptrend with a final surge up to about the 250 level in November. It then entered an intermediate correction, testing the 200-day moving average for the first time since right here in April, returning to the prior high in March and breaking out once again. Now, this surge was a very, very strong surge from about the 217 level all the way up to 290, topping out in May, following a 3-to-1 stock split in March. So the stock's really been on a roll because of the U.S. housing market, which is just on fire. Now, it's been pulling back since May, and this has all the markings of a bull flag pattern. You could see it's sort of developing these lower highs and these lower lows. And we do have a weekly sell cycle in stochastics. So I think that this correction is going to continue for now and get down at least to this 50-day moving average down between about 272 and 275. So I wouldn't really jump in and buy the stock right here, but I think you watch the sell cycle, and when it gets down to this area and starts to bounce, that could be a good entry. Now, unbalanced volume is very supportive of higher prices. As you can see, the stock's being bought aggressively and has been bought aggressively since March of 2020, and there's no reason to believe this uptrend is going to end anytime soon. So we could see prices at 350, and even 400 in coming months.